So, ladies and gentlemen, let's imagine that we've got our CPU, we're doing fetch, decode, execute, etc., and life is happy. So we've got the data bus, we've got an instruction inside the MDR. Now what the MDR will do is it will copy it to another register called the CIR. And what that stands for is current instruction register, but we're not going to talk about that yet. So inside here, we've got that. Very simple. Now, let me just make another point about the MDR. The MDR has a connection to the data bus. Imagine that we've got a bus depot, another bus depot with people waiting in line, we'll put entrance to CPU city, and we've got exit. The MDR is basically a bus depot, a register for people, or should I say, instead of people, data leaving the CPU and entering the CPU. The MAR has nothing entering the CPU, and what is leaving the CPU isn't data, it's an address, which is different. So I'm hoping you understand the difference between an MDR and an MAR. MAR uses an address bus, it's one way, so it's leaving the CPU and it's an address. MDR can have actually instructions, or shall I say data in this case, entering the CPU and leaving the CPU using the data bus. So that's quite important that you understand that analogy. So as I said, the MDR copies it over to the CIR. So and that is the end of fetch. So fetch, what that is the following. You've got the program counter, which copies values over to the MAR. You've then got the MAR, which copies values over to the MDR, the content. Then you've got the MDR copying values over to the CIR, which I'm going to talk about next to you in the next video.